Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? This is a Purity ice cream serving tray, advertising serving tray. You would have found this is actually using it as a tray in a ice cream parlor or a restaurant or up on the wall as a decoration. Great content. These two kids, great looking faces on it. The daughter's really got the eyes looking back, very, very cool. Mother looks a bit odd. Anyways, if you're into vintage advertising or ice cream in general, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.